Alrighty, guys, we have a fun one today. My cousin, in his infinite wisdom, went out and got me a free 3-pound bag of spinach. And fantastic that he did it, but what in the heck am I going to do with 3 pounds of spinach? So I took 1 pound, I gave it to the birds and like that, and I had 2 pounds left over. And I just thought and I contemplated and I thought some more. And what am I going to do with 2 pounds of spinach? And then it hit me like a bag of spinach. Cream of spinach soup. Hope you guys enjoy. That is going to be some creamy goodness right there. That spoon is completely coated. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so first off, we're going to start this out as we got some bacon here. This is a thick cut, so we don't need a whole lot. I'm thinking maybe, what's that, 5, 6, something like that. Yeah, 6 slices. And what we're going to do is we're going to chop it. Now, this is a delicious soup, guys. It's really a lot of fun to make, as you can see. You can get somebody involved, and you can ask them to throw the bag of spinach at you. I know Mom enjoyed throwing the bag of spinach at me. What's your favorite soup, guys? What favorite soup do you like to make? Leave a comment down below. Get these in your pot. Basically, that's it for right now. Let them cook down a little bit. Alrighty, guys, so now the bacon is done. We're going to go ahead and get that bacon out of there. We don't want to lose this oil. We don't want to keep it all either. I'm going to save about maybe a teaspoon in there. First ingredient is 1 good heaping tablespoon of, you guessed it, garlic. Let that get all happy in there. I got a 2-pound bag of spinach. Sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Once you start breaking it down, the spinach will all break down for you. Get that nice and happy. Guys, keep your stove on at least medium-low to low. You don't want to burn the spinach. You just want to wilt it. But this is a very, very easy, quick recipe. And oh, so good. All right, guys, you see it only takes a few minutes, actually, excuse me, for the spinach to start to wilt down like that and release all the juices. Okay, now, to that, we're adding 1 quart of heavy cream, 2 cups of whole milk, and let it come up to a nice, what they call smooth simmer. But oh, guys, if you could smell this right now with the garlic and the bacon fat and all that, oh my God, it smells so good. Mom's over here drooling, behind the camera drooling. Hey guys, do me a favor, leave a comment down below. Just say hi, Mom.
And I'll say hi back.
And she will say hi back. Put the next ingredient in there. Anyway, Mom had a really good idea. Something from her childhood is her mom, whenever her mom would make this, they would put some red onion in there, give a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor. So you know what? Why not? Let's add some red onion to it. So I got a half a red onion cut up. We'll drop that in there, give a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor. Only need a half. You don't need to put a whole one in there, just a half. All right, get that mixed in. And get all nice and happy. Alrighty, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is getting nice and creamy in there. Now, what I want to do is season it up. A little bit of pepper. Not much. Season to taste. Mix that through. What you're looking to do is, right now, all you're looking to do is get all these seasonings incorporated in there. And you want that onion to start to get soft. Every so often, just check it and make sure. But, guys, make sure at this point here, you constantly keep checking it and stir it, because if you don't stir it, that heavy cream will start to bubble up, and it'll, like Mom just said, that heavy cream will start to bubble up and it'll look like a volcano. And then next thing you know, it's erupting over top of your bowl here. So make sure you constantly keep an eye on it and make sure you keep on stirring it. All right, so we just got done checking and the onions have gotten nice and soft. It only takes a few minutes if you chop them up small. Now, for the special ingredient, I want to go with some cheddar cheese. I'm going to go with about 2 cups. There's 1. And there's 2.
Yeah.
I got big hands, what can I say? All right, stir that in there, guys, and let it get nice and thick. And then we're going to serve it up. Hey, guys, before I forget one thing, make sure at this point, after you put the cheese in there, that you really stir it in good and make sure that all that cheese is incorporated. By the way, guys, sorry, but look at that spoon. Oh, that's good. That is going to be good. All right, let's get these in a bowl here. Let's not forget about bacon. Take a couple of things of bacon, put it right up on top. Let's grab a picture, and we'll have a taste test. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. Smells absolutely delicious. Mix that bacon in there. Get some spinach. Get some spinach. Bacon. It's going to be hot, so be careful. Cheers, everyone. Man, this is so, so good. That crunch of the bacon. Fabulous. But it is definitely hot. I'm going to let this cool off for a minute. But do me a favor. If you like the video, check out this coming video I have where I'm making homemade hoagie rolls. Oh my God.
They are beautiful.
Come on over for some cheesesteaks. Oh my God, guys, these are for cheesesteaks. Till next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.